In the last 4 decades, one of the poorest countries in the world quietly transformed itself into a global manufacturing giant. A country with no cotton, no advanced machines, and no industrial tradition. Today exports over 80% of its total exports from just one sector, ready-made garments. This is the story of how Bangladesh became the world's garment export country. When Bangladesh emerged as an independent nation in 1971, its economy was shattered. War-torn infrastructure, extreme poverty, no industrial base, dependence on agriculture and foreign aid. Exports were minimal, mainly jute, whose global demand was collapsing. Bangladesh urgently needed jobs, foreign exchange, industrial growth. The solution came from an unexpected global opportunity. In the 1970-80, Western countries imposed the Multifiber Arrangement, MFA, limiting textile exports from big players like China, India, South Korea. But Bangladesh was a least developed country, quota-free or low quota, politically neutral in trade blocs. Global brands now needed new low-cost countries. Bangladesh was perfectly positioned. The real turning point came in 1979. A Bangladeshi entrepreneur partnered with Daewoo, a South Korean firm. Bangladeshi workers were trained in Korea. Technology and management skills were transferred. First large-scale garment exports began. This single experiment created a chain reaction. Workers trained in one factory opened hundreds of new factories. One of the most unique aspects of Bangladesh's garment rise was women. Rural women migrated to cities. Accepted lower wages initially. Extremely disciplined and productive. Today, over 60-65% of garment workers are women. Garment industry became a social transformation engine. Women's employment led to lower fertility rates, better education for children, rising household incomes. Bangladesh built unbeatable advantages. Ultra-low production cost, one of the lowest garment wages in the world. Government support, export processing zones, EPZs, duty-free import of raw materials, tax incentives, simple product focus. T-shirts, shirts, jeans, sweaters. Large volumes, thin margins. Bangladesh didn't aim to be innovative, it aimed to be reliable and cheap. Soon, almost every major global brand arrived. H&M, Zara retailer, Walmart. Bangladesh became the second largest garment exporter in the world after China. Exports crossed $40 billion plus annually. The growth came at a heavy human cost. In 2013, the Rana Plaza collapsed. Over 1,100 workers died. World attention turned to factory safety. Result: International Safety Accords, fire and building inspections, better labor standards. Ironically, this tragedy strengthened Bangladesh's credibility long-term. Today, Bangladesh is world leader in green garment factories, moving toward higher value products, facing competition from Vietnam and Ethiopia. Challenges ahead: wage pressure, automation, overdependence on one sector. But the foundation is strong. Bangladesh didn't become a garment export giant because it was rich. It succeeded because it used global trade rules smartly, leveraged low-cost labor, focused on one sector relentlessly. From ruins of war to wardrobes of the world, Bangladesh stitched its future, one shirt at a time.